How to create a coloring book template. To create a coloring book template, open the Tools drop-down and select Coloring Book under the Creative section. Then, adjust the sliders to fine-tune your template, with changes reflected in real time on your image. Continue watching this tutorial for more details on how to create a coloring book template with PhotoPad. If you've ever wanted to turn a photo into a fun, printable coloring book page, PhotoPad makes it super easy. To get started, head over to the Effects tab. Then click on the Tools drop-down menu and choose Coloring Book from the Creative section. This instantly applies the coloring book effect to your image. From here, you can fine-tune the effect to match your style using the Effects and Layers options. There are three main sliders you'll want to adjust: Detail, Region Size, and Smoothing. The Detail slider controls how much fine detail stays in the image. Moving it to the left will simplify the drawing, while moving it to the right will retain more intricate lines. The Region Size slider adjusts the size of the areas in the image. Smaller regions create more detailed lines, while larger regions result in broader, easier to color spaces. Lastly, the Smoothing slider lets you control the sharpness of the lines. Moving it to the left creates rough, hand-drawn edges, while sliding it to the right smooths the lines for a cleaner, more polished look. For more PhotoPad tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.